My name is Nagore Ortiz, and I'm currently leading the Metal Air research line at CIC Energy Gune. Metal air batteries present really a high energy density, and these make them suitable to work in both stationary and mobile applications. Depending on the chemistry we are using, this means the ion we are targeting, for example, sodium or zinc, and depending the energy density, the requirements, and the cell design, we are going to move from a stationary or to a mobile application. But we could cover the whole market with these batteries. The roadmap of these batteries, if we are working about, for example, organic or sodium batteries, we are still at lab scale, and we are working on electrolytes, because it's really important to have a stable electrolyte in order to have a good performance. We are also moving to solid electrolyte in this regard to avoid all the problems of liquid electrolytes. And also working with other type of batteries, if we are moving to metal air aqueous batteries, we are also trying to move to solid electrolytes, because there is a problem of water evaporation. So I would say that we need to work on the electrolyte and also on the cathode design, because in these batteries the cathode is the oxygen, and the oxygen needs to go within the cathode, so we really need a open structure. So those will be the target for the next years. So CIC Energy Gune, to newcomers and new researchers that they are starting their career or continuing their career as a postdoc, we have top facilities in terms of characterization techniques. Also, CIC has a lot of workshops, courses, a lot of support from the project management and to write proposals. So I will say that is what CIC Energy Gune can offer, apart from having people from all nationalities, really very young people, enthusiastic, that they want to make the next breakthroughs in energy storage.